Imagine if one simple question could make your AI 10 times more useful. That's not just a dream, it's a reality when you know how to ask the right questions. In today's video, we'll explore how you can transform your interactions with AI by mastering the art of asking. Whether you're using AI for work, learning, or creativity, the way you phrase your questions makes all the difference. Let's dive in and discover how to unlock the true power of AI with smarter, more effective questions. Have you ever asked AI something and received a vague or unhelpful answer? That's often because the question itself was too weak or unclear. Weak questions lead to weak answers, leaving you frustrated and searching for more. But don't worry, this is a common problem and it's easy to fix. By understanding what makes a question strong, you can guide AI to give you exactly what you need. Let's see why clarity and structure matter so much when talking to AI. The secret to asking better questions is using a three-part structure: context, goal, and format. This simple framework helps you organize your thoughts and makes it easier for AI to understand exactly what you want. Context sets the scene, goal defines your objective, and format tells AI how to deliver the answer. When you use this structure, your questions become clearer and more actionable, leading to much more useful responses. First, let's talk about context. Context explains what you're doing or why you need help. It gives AI background information so it can tailor its answers to your situation. For example, if you're learning digital marketing, mentioning that helps AI understand your level and needs. Without context, AI might give generic answers that aren't relevant. Always start your question by setting the scene with a brief explanation. Next comes the goal. The goal is what you want to achieve with your question. Be specific about what you're looking for, whether it's an explanation, advice, or a step-by-step guide. Clear goals help AI focus its response and avoid confusion. For example, saying you want to understand content strategy makes your request direct and actionable. Always state your goal clearly so AI knows exactly what you expect. Finally, let's talk about format. Format tells AI how you want the answer delivered. Do you want a checklist, a summary, or a detailed explanation? By specifying the format, you make it easier for AI to give you exactly what you need. For example, asking for a checklist ensures you get a clear, organized list instead of a long paragraph. Always include your preferred format in your question for the best results. Let's put it all together with an example. Suppose you're learning digital marketing and want to understand content strategy. You could ask, I'm learning digital marketing. Explain content strategy in simple steps. Give me a checklist. Here, the context is your learning goal, the objective is understanding content strategy, and the format is a checklist. This three-part question guides AI to deliver a focused, helpful answer tailored to your needs. To visualize the three-part structure, imagine a simple schematic diagram. At the top, you have context, which sets the scene. Below that, goal defines what you want. At the bottom, format specifies how you want the answer. Each part connects logically, guiding AI to deliver the best response. This clear structure is your secret weapon for getting more useful answers from AI every time. The core concept here is structured questioning. By organizing your questions into context, goal, and format, you make it easier for AI to understand and respond effectively. Structured questions are clear, direct, and actionable, leading to much better results. This approach works for any topic, from business to learning to creativity. Remember, the way you ask determines the quality of the answer you receive.